everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a macrame heart design with a little bit of a twist for macrame wall hangings and other patterns. Let's get started. Our first step is to make the top half of our diamond. Find the third cord from the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots around this rope, pointing it down diagonal and to the left. Now take the fourth cord from the left, pointing it down and to the right, and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Now take the fourth cord from the right, point it down and to the left, and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Now take those 2 cords that are now directly in the middle and attach them together with another double half hitch knot. Now we're going to take the third cord from the right, point it down and to the right, and tie 2 double half hitch knots. The top part of our heart is now finished. Now we will begin filling in the bottom part of our heart to finish this design. I'm going to start here on the left, and I'm going to tie 2 double half hitch knots with the 2 strings on the left. Now I'm going to do the exact same on the right side. So I'm going to point this right string down towards the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Just like that. Now I'm going to come back and finish out my left side, but instead of using these next 3 cords on the left, I'm going to take the side here on the right, and what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of twist them so that all 3 cords that were on the right side get tied around the left string, and all 3 cords remaining on the left side get tied around that right. And this is just going to give us that twisted design. Now we'll take the 3 cords on the left and repeat this with the right string. Finish off your heart by connecting the 2 strings in the middle with another double half hitch knot. And there you go. Our macrame heart with a twist is now finished. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.